Right, so here we are. I'm going to do an unboxing of a mechanical keyboard that just arrived today, and this is sort of I don't know. I just kind of want to do this, but I don't have an overhead rig, so I'm just holding it with my right hand. And here we are. It's a Varmilo VA68M something Christmas edition. Emphasis on Christmas edition. This is the brown switch. Personally, I would prefer the red switch because that's what I'm used to. But I don't know. It's sold out. It's sold out 5 minutes into the double 12 thingy. Actually, this is like the last keyboard, the very last Christmas edition keyboard they've got. And here we are. This is it. I'm just doing everything with my left hand. This is my first Varmilo keyboard actually, but this is actually my fourth mechanical keyboard. I had a SteelSeries 6G-V2. It was a black switch. It was my very first mechanical keyboard. It's not bad. It's good for a first keyboard because you know what it's like to do stuff with a mechanical keyboard. I left it in my last company because for reasons I would rather not talk about. There's nothing wrong with the keyboard. The keyboard was fine and the company wasn't bad. I'd prefer not to talk about it. And I've got a cherry. Oh, accidentally broke that. Okay, this is the pad or something. Something to take out the keys, and this is the keyboard itself. This is the smallest keyboard I've ever owned. My last 3 mechanical keyboards, they were all like 104 keys. This is over 60 keys, but this, oh boy, is this heavy. This is some metal plate. I believe it's a steel plate or something. The thing about this is that it's, I wouldn't say this is a limited edition, but there are just so few out there, because according to them, this is just so hard to manufacture. From what I gather, they got only, I don't know, 23 out of 1,000. Things like this, and it's being a Christmas edition. There are gonna be a lot of people who want this. Whoa, this is a full metal plate. And the Christmas keys, they also got alternate keys for enter and F and the dot or escape key. This is a brown switch. This is my first brown switch. I haven't actually tried it, but it feels good. It feels different. I've owned 2 red switch, and I'm currently using red switch because I type a lot. I do play games, but mostly with an Xbox controller. But when I'm typing or when I'm gaming, I used to play Dota. I still do on a monthly basis or something. The red switch is so addictive. Yes, I might use the word addictive because it feels good, and it doesn't exhaust my fingers after a long time of typing. This is so this is it. the keyboard, the Octant keys, the thingy to take out the keys, and the whoa, the cable. It's not Type C. Oh, it is Type C. That is that's good news. Everything's Type C. This is a quite a long cable. I might try to switch it for something shorter, because I obviously this is like this is 1.8 meters long. It's a bit too long. And another sort of another regret or something, I don't know. I would prefer if this is a wireless edition, because it's got such a small footprint, and if it's completely wireless, it's just it makes perfect for a minimal desktop setup, I believe. Yes, so this is the unboxing. Sorry, it's my first time, and just take a look at it. It's very Christmassy. I don't know. It's got a whole Christmas vibe. I don't think I'm gonna do a review on this, because it's just a brown switch mechanical keyboard. You can get a brown switch keyboard anywhere. They're pretty much the same. I bought this because it's sort of a limited edition, and I want to try this. And well, of course, I want to try this, but actually this is a Christmas gift. I'm giving it to my girlfriend, so I might be able to touch it some from every now and then, but she'll be the one using it, and this will be her first mechanical keyboard. I just hope she likes it. And that's it. That's the unboxing, and see you next time, hopefully.